1 Minute Gaelic, Lesson 10.
Hello, it's Misha Dolls. Kimera Hasho. Amiad Magoi. I'm feeling great today because we've reached the end of our course. This is the final lesson in this series of 1 Minute Gaelic, and we hope you found it useful. In this final lesson, we're going to cover some phrases that people always want to know when learning another language. The clock's ticking. One last time, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Let's start with one that most people already know. Slàinte. It means health, but we use it to mean cheers. Slàinte. One more time. Slàinte. Good. Or better still, you could wish someone good health by saying slàinte. One more time. Slàinte. You might want to congratulate someone on a piece of good news, or an important event like getting married or getting a new job, or even on their birthday. Listen to this phrase for congratulations. Meallaibh. It's quite tricky. Let's listen again. Meallaibh. One more time. Meallaibh. Another useful phrase is good luck. Let's listen to the Gaelic version of this. Leibh. Listen again to this phrase. Leibh. It literally means, may it go well with you. Repeat this again after me. Leibh. Another phrase which comes in useful, at least once a year, is Merry Christmas. Listen carefully. Nollaig Chrìdheil. Repeat this again after me. Nollaig Chrìdheil. Can you try that one more time? Nollaig Chrìdheil. And if you're familiar with Scotland, you'll know that there's another calendar event soon after Christmas, which is also very important. Hogmanay, or New Year's Eve. So you also need the phrase for Happy New Year. Bliadhna. Repeat it after me. Bliadhna. One more time. Bliadhna. And maybe, if you've had a romantic encounter on Hogmanay, you might need this phrase. Agam. It means, I love you. Repeat it again and try sounding like you mean it. Agam. Time's up for this lesson, and indeed for this course. It's been a pleasure teaching you in these 10 lessons of 1 Minute Gaelic, and here at the Radiolingua Network, we hope you've enjoyed the lessons. If you'd like to try your hand at another language, visit our website on radiolingua.com. For now, I'd like to say thank you for staying with me right to the final program, and one last time, Tach believe, agus marsin leave.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.